that we have made a formation called Kenya Kwanza. This is a coalition that brings together the UDA party, led by the Deputy President, William Ruto, Amani National Congress, ANC, led by myself, and Ford Kenya, led by Moses Wetangula. And we have stated that we want to have a coalition that puts Kenya first, a coalition that has clearly identified that Kenya's priority is going to be resuscitation of the economy. And this is where we converge, all of us. So we are determined that that is the route we will take. As to anybody else, we feel that they are free to join us. So I want to state very clearly that I, Musalia Mudavadi, for ANC, we consulted, we had broad consultations, and we made our pronouncement when we were at the National Delegate Conference in broad daylight, not at night, in broad daylight. We made it very clear that we are taking a different course. We were creating the earthquake that will make Kenyans make that decision. So we did not betray anybody. Our priority is to the Kenyan people.